Hi guys, my name is Melissa Weekly. This is my Module 7 video for AEP855 on Human Resource Frame of Leadership. So the big goal of the Human Resource Frame of Leadership has to do with aligning the organizational and human needs. So seeing the members of your team as individuals and really figuring out what their strengths and abilities are and using those for the best interest of the members and the organization. So you reach your goals through relational intention and also creating opportunities for the development of the entire team. This creates the effective organization that you need because the members of the team's strengths are really utilized. You understand them as individuals and then how and where they best fit in within the organization. So the big concept of this is building a relationship with your employees and then understanding their unique abilities and how it provides you the opportunity to use each member's strengths in the most effective way. So my human resource framework, I put students at the top, but I didn't necessarily see it as a pyramid that they need to be the smallest section. So I put principals and teachers in the next column because I think they go hand in hand. I don't think teachers can necessarily make a decision without the principals, and I don't think it's necessarily fair for principals to always make decisions without the teachers' interests in mind also. So below that, I put the paraprofessionals, cooks, office staff, and maintenance personnel all in one category. I did this because I feel like like the school, the students, the teachers, the principals, none of this would really be possible without any of those people. They are really an important layer, even though they're often behind the scenes. And then finally, I put parents, alumni, and community at the bottom, not because they're the least important, but because they're really that foundation for everything that leads up to the students. Without the community, we wouldn't have the school. Without the alumni, you wouldn't have the good foundation for the school. Without the parents, you wouldn't have the students or the support that you need for the school. So that really builds the foundation, and then it all leads up back to the students. I don't see the principal being on top when I make a human resource framework. Although they are the leaders of the school, I chose students because I think that since everything revolves around them, that they deserve to be at the top. Thank you guys, I really enjoyed learning from you all this semester.